Are you hearing that annoying hum coming from your computer, laptop, or the AC in your room right now as you watch this video? When fan blades cut through the air, they scream almost like a jet engine. But have you ever wondered how the world's most expensive computer coolers or next-gen devices operate in zero noise? The secret to this silence isn't hidden in Silicon Valley labs, but in the wings of an owl hunting in the pitch black of the night. If you look closely at the blades of those silent premium fans, you'll see their edges aren't perfectly smooth. To glide through the air without tearing it apart, the edges of these plastic blades are cut with microscopic combs, just like an owl's wing. Meet the most flawless biological heist tech giants have stolen from nature, the engineering of silence. To understand why this heist was pulled off, we first need to know why blades scream in the first place. Basic physics is brutal. The faster an object tears through the air, the more turbulence, or air vortices, it leaves behind. When your computer heats up, the fan has to spin faster to cool it down. Plastic blades violently chop the air like a butcher's knife. These shattered airwaves crash into each other, creating that annoying hum you hear. For decades, engineers tried to solve this problem. They changed the angles of the blades, made the materials lighter, but they hit a wall of physics. Creating a blade that spins incredibly fast while making absolutely no noise was as impossible as trying to tear a newspaper silently in a hurricane. That is, until they pointed their microscopes at nature's deadliest assassin. When other airborne predators, like hawks or eagles, dive for their prey, they tear through the wind. They make so much noise that their prey knows something is coming seconds before it hits. But when an owl approaches its target, the decibel level is mathematically close to zero. It literally melts into the air. This isn't magic, it's flawless biological hardware. When scientists examined the owl's wing feathers, they were shocked. The leading edge of the wing wasn't smooth and rigid like other birds. Instead, it was covered in a microscopic, serrated structure resembling a stiff hair comb. When an owl flies, these microscopic combs don't smash into a single, massive wave of air with brute force. They slice it into thousands of microcurrents. The turbulence is destroyed before it's even created, and the soft fringes at the trailing edge of the wing swallow whatever faint whisper of air is left. The owl didn't defeat physics, it learned how to dance with it. After seeing this biological shock in the lab, engineers only had one thing left to do: copy it. The world's top computer cooling brands took that flawless aerodynamics and engraved it onto their plastic fan blades. Today, the serrations on the front edges of those high-tech fans spinning silently inside your PC case are the result of millions of years of evolution. And this tech isn't just sitting on your desk. Wind turbines used to receive massive complaints for making too much noise near villages. Engineers attached the owl comb to the tips of massive turbine blades, and the noise vanished. Next-gen silent drones abandoned flat, air-chopping blades and started using curved, serrated propellers mimicking the owl's wing. From the smart ACs in our homes to the hairdryers in our hands, anything sold with a silent label is a copied blueprint stolen from the DNA of that night hunter. We humans think we invented technology from scratch and completely disconnected from nature. We believe our metal cases, LED-lit coolers, and digital world make us superior to animals. Yet even the engineering marvels we boast about the most are nothing more than the anatomy of a bird that has been flying silently in the depths of the forest for millions of years. To continue unraveling the invisible anatomy inside the devices that make our lives easier, and to unbox the dark history of ordinary things, subscribe to Unbox Reality. See you next week with a brand new biological secret.